Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to elevate your document sharing and marketing game, today's video is for you. We're diving into fliplink.me, a tool that turns your plain PDFs into engaging interactive flipbooks. Grab the lifetime deal using the link in the description below before it's gone. Let's explore how this platform can revolutionize the way you present content. What is fliplink.me? Fliplink.me is an online platform that converts your static PDF files into dynamic flipbooks. These aren't just visually appealing, they're interactive, customizable, and equipped with features that enhance user engagement and provide valuable analytics. Let's delve into some of Fliplink.me's standout features. Custom branding. Personalize your flipbooks with your logo, background images, and custom URLs to maintain brand consistency. Lead capture forms. Integrate forms directly into your flipbooks to collect viewer information seamlessly. Interactive elements. Add call-to-action buttons, background music, and animations to make your content more engaging. Analytics integration. Track viewer interactions using tools like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and Google Tag Manager. Embedding options. Easily embed your flipbooks on websites or share them via direct links. Multi-language support. Cater to a global audience with language customization options. Pricing and deal. Fliplink.me is currently available on AppSumo with a lifetime deal. Each plan comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, giving you ample time to test the platform. Grab the lifetime deal using the link in the description below before it's gone. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros: user-friendly interface with extensive customization. Effective lead generation tools. Robust analytics integration. One-time payment with lifetime access. Cons: some users have reported minor issues with speed and onboarding. The 150 megabytes limit per PDF might be restrictive for larger documents. Fliplink.me is a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their digital documents. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or business owner, thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights into the latest digital tools.